You ever get the stiff lip? My papa used to call this the stiff lip. When something didn't go his way, you got mad. Stiff lip. Yeah, well, we got the stiff lip right here. All you know-it-alls, right? You're gonna know it already. That's okay, that's all right. This is what we did. So we got pretty far here with this tugger. It's a G3, 600 aluminum, only 3 of them, no neutral, and then a number 3 ground. It's got 190 to 45, another 90 there, go down, another 90 at the other end of the shop. It's only like 3 90s and 2 45s, and this tugger I just don't think had enough in it. I made a video before about this mule tape, and it was terrible at first. Let me turn you around. But then we started twisting it. So I took a drill and I'd cut it every so often, and I'd put it in the end of the drill and twist it, and it made like almost a rope. After I did that, it did really well on the tugger actually. It lined up in the capstan well, and all of that. But I'm going to tell you, this 90 and this 45, it was a dog. I mean, it took everything we had. And this tugger's, it's not big enough. It kept stalling out, and then it'd have to go through a reset period. And so we went and bought, and I hooked to, at that time, at the end of the wire. I think one of the reasons we had such a hard time is, in another video I bragged and bragged about these ends, but dude, I think those ends were a detriment. They have steel cable leaders, which is awesome, but to get through the conduit that the Uglies book prescribed for this pull, 3-inch, I think that was our problem. I think if I'd have done my end the way you all probably do it, strip it out, take 2 or 3 from each side, splay it open, cut the center out, toss it, and then put it around your loop on each rope, that'll probably come right on through, no problem. But I think that end was getting stuck in a lot of these. At the end here, I used some half hitches, clove hitches, whatever you call them, half hitch I believe. The seat, it's loose up at the top. I just tied like an overhand knot, and then I layered in a bunch, and as you layer in more and more, they just get tighter. They pull one to the other, and then I put it around that hook, and then I hooked that hook to the bottom of my tugger. And so you want to do a knot too that'll come right back out. This is just like a basic slip knot. You grab it like a overhand, and then you come back up. Sorry, you come back up through. See, over through, and you pull it, and then this creates where you want to put your hook. Right, and then when you're done, you take the hook out, which would be the middle finger there. You take the hook out, and then it just pulls straight back out. And then if you need this loosened up or moved up, it'll move up pretty good. I still got this thing on. I can't do all this with one hand. But anyway, yeah, you guys are right. Too tough, too difficult. I still got it done, and that's what matters. Let's build each other up in the trades. You know, we don't need to be backbiting and all that. It's all in good fun. Don't know if any of this would help anybody, but hopefully there you go.